will go with the mountain. It is the only chance I get. I know the path is difficult and there would be challenges. I know the choice I make would change my life. Then too, I will go with the mountain. No mountain is too high, no trouble too difficult to overcome. Always at the top of mountain follows another mountain. Life is a mountain of solvable problems. That is the reason I think I will go with the mountain.
This is me, the real me. For me, life is full of walking on the mountain. I get stronger after doing so. It's like a bird who always returns to its roots. Mountain is what I care for. Mountain is what I dream of. Mountains are my route, where I always go to. A free bird is what I want to be. I will always go with the mountain.